blew up. It's the flyer, yeah, that's true, dude. It just blew up, dude. It apparently had a few weak spots. And after I took that out, the weak spots got too much for it. And because I had no tools near it, I was standing away from the lathe when it happened. Yeah, no, there's nothing wrong with me. I didn't even have a catch, so I can't even blame myself for it like that, even though that would be great. But yeah, there you go, hopes and dreams gone. Can I save it? Meh. Am I missing something? Probably. Now that piece has to go there. Maybe. Maybe not. I'm missing a few pieces though. Yeah, it's a shame because that was I was hoping it was going to be a good piece, because it was really nice, to be honest. It was really nice. And I didn't destroy any equipment, which is also nice. So it's only my pride, even though it was nothing to do with me. Really. Let me see if I can find the last piece, because I'm missing a big chunk.